Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can see who viewed your Facebook profile. For that you need to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen, and then you need to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen. Once you're in your Facebook profile, click on the three dot at the side of your screen on the bottom and scroll all the way down and click on turn on professional mode. Now in my screen it says off because my professional mode is already on, but if you have not turned on your professional mode, turn it on. Once you turn on your professional mode and you come to your Facebook profile, you will see the option called See Dashboard. Click on See Dashboard. From inside here, scroll a bit down and click on where it says Professional Mode Guide. From inside over here, click on where it says Insights and then choose where it says View Insights. Over here you can see the option called Profile Overview. Right below Profile Overview, you will see Details. Click on it. Now over here, you can see the option called Profile Visit. You can click on Profile Visit and it'll show you the number of people that have visited your profile, and it'll also show you who has visited your profile in the last 28 days. At the top, you can also change it to 7 days or anything else. So I hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.